Tired of scrolling through hundreds of irrelevant eBay listings? Learn to sort results in seconds and find exactly what you want. I know that feeling. You type in what you're looking for, you hit search, and then you're hit with a mountain of results. Items that are way too expensive, stuff that's sold years ago, and things that have nothing to do with what you actually searched for. It is exhausting, and it wastes so much of your time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use eBay's sort dropdown to filter by price, newest, or best match. It is one of those little tricks that completely changes how you shop on the site. So let's jump in. First, you need to search for something on eBay. It doesn't matter what it is. Go ahead and type in whatever you're looking for in that search bar at the top of the page. For this example, let's say you want to find a good deal on a used smartphone. Type in something like unlocked iPhone or Samsung Galaxy and hit that search button or press enter on your keyboard. Now here is where most people get stuck. They just start scrolling through that first page of results, thinking that's all there is. But that is a huge mistake. You are only seeing a fraction of what's available. And more importantly, you have no idea if those are actually the best deals. Once your results appear on the screen, look up near the top. Right above the first listing, you will see a bar with some information. It usually says something like X results found. And right next to that, there is a drop-down button that says Sort. It might say Best Match by default, but that button is your ticket to actually controlling what you see. That is the Sort dropdown. Now, click on that dropdown, and you will see a list of options. This is where the real power comes in. You have choices like Best Match, Time Ending Soonest, Newly Listed, Lowest Price plus Shipping, Highest Price plus Shipping, and Distance Nearest. Each one changes how your results are ordered. And here is the really important part. You need to pick the one that matches what you are trying to do. If you are looking for the absolute cheapest deal, choose Lowest Price plus Shipping. That way, the cheapest items, including what they cost to ship, will show up at the top. No more digging through pages of expensive listings. If you want to see the newest stuff that just got listed, choose Newly Listed. This is great for rare items or limited edition things that sell out fast. And if you want to see what items are about to end, which can sometimes help you snag a deal, choose Time Ending Soonest. I have tested this on hundreds of different searches, and honestly, just changing that one dropdown saves me so much time. It is the difference between hunting for a needle in a haystack and having the haystack sort itself into a neat pile for you. Once you select your preferred option, the results will automatically update. You don't have to click a separate button or refresh the page. Just click the option and the page reloads with everything sorted exactly how you asked. It is instant. You can see the prices fall into order, or the newest items jump right to the top. It feels so satisfying. So now you know. No more mindless scrolling. Just a quick click and you are looking at exactly what matters to you. Give it a try next time you're looking for something on eBay. You will wonder how you ever shopped without it. Thanks for watching.